you. All right, miss. Hold on. What you need to do? Look me down there when I get you for the next race. Give it up. Actually, I'm going to help you. All right.
We're all ready to go now. After a little incompetence on the part of the organizers. Marshall Paul, Mark Alves, race number 1. Dominican Bicycle Bash Stunt Course Race. Here we go. Cool. So, our first advancing rider, Marshall Paul.